Hi everyone. The past few days we have seen a marked increase in the number of participants and registrants that we have on our website, in our Telegram group, the number of emails we're getting in with questions about DAV. So I have been working really hard to keep up with all of those emails and corresponding with individual community members, which I've really been enjoying. Today I'll be doing more of the same, just continuing to try to get answers to everyone who has sent a question or reached out to us. I'll also be continuing with our social media platforms, letting you know what's going on with us, where we're going to be, what events we're going to be attending, and anything else that you need to know. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys, so last week I worked on the autonomous boat section inside the Missions app and also on new designs for our developer portal. You can get a sneak peek of it over here. And today I created my first issue on GitHub, basically a request for development that any of our contributors there can go ahead and develop. And I started expanding our communication protocols, which is pretty exciting. So up until now, we only handled a need and a bid, a request for a service and service providing. And now we're closing the funnel for the entire communication process from the sending the contract, updating on arrival to a pickup location, for example, etc. And starting with a drone delivery one and more to come as we go. So this is it, guys. Thanks.
Hello. So my top three today, I tackled some challenging questions, both in channel and out, to address some community concerns. And I think we did pretty well on that. I prepared for a call tomorrow that we're going to have with a potential advisor. Someone's going to join our advisory board who brings a huge network with them. So fingers crossed on that. Hopefully that'll transpire in our favor. And I also have been drafting a value proposition sheet for a tier 1 strategic partner. We bring them on board, things could move very, very fast for us in a very positive direction. So that's it for me today, and I will see you guys soon.
Hey there, DailyDAVers, Alick here. So the week has started. I actually wrote 5 new drafts to send to potential partners. John will review them for upcoming weekly talk. I'm just going over all the different name cards and different leads we got in Singapore. A lot of interesting prospects. We'll get back to you shortly. Bye, guys.
Hello. Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. So yesterday the main focus was around the website where we launched it. Really happy. The community's response has been fantastic. Numbers are growing pretty tremendously. So everything is shooting off really well. Just making some tweaks and adjustments, and we have some additional pages coming through, so working with the designers on that. A lot of great things across the board. Today the main focus has been, I had a great advisor meeting yesterday morning, had another great advisor meeting with, these are all potential advisors, but they've been going really well. So another advisor meeting this morning. Today the main focus outside of that meeting is just working on some additional tweaks to the website, but then more so today around the paid advertising. So paid advertising has been working really well to build the community. We're getting a ton of signups across Telegram, across our email, a ton of white paper downloads, all those things. So everything is going very well, and just continuing to make sure our foot is on the gas pedal there, making sure that everything keeps chugging away smoothly. Thanks everybody. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.